This is Autonomy.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. Businesses are rushing to integrate LLMs into every corner of their operations. But as adoption peaks, a dangerous disconnect is emerging between how these agents are deployed. The industry is seeing a surge in prompt injection attacks. These are no longer just academic curiosities. The OWASP Top 10 lists this as the most critical vulnerability for the second year running. CrowdStrike has been blunt about it. They claim that prompts are effectively the new Malware. We have already seen the operational fallout. Researchers exposed a flaw in Slackcase. Even more alarming was the EchoLeak exploit against Microsoft 365 Copilot. A single crafted email could force the AI to exfiltrate internal files. Without any user interaction, it proves that LLMs still struggle to separate a user's data from a developer's instructions. While security gaps widen, the tools we use to find them are shifting. A recent benchmark on IDOR detection produced a shocking result. GLM 5.2, an open-weight model from Zippo AI. It did this without the complex scaffolding that frontier agents usually rely on. The economics here are the real story. Using an open model brought the cost down to roughly 17 cents per vulnerability found. This suggests the gap between closed and open models is closing. It means that high-performance reasoning is becoming a commodity that can run entirely inside a company's own secure environment. This software race is mirrored by a physical battle for supremacy. China just reclaimed the top spot in the TOP 500 supercomputer rankings. Unlike most next-generation systems, it does not use GPUs. Instead, it relies on 45,000 CPUs developed entirely within China. Beijing is demonstrating that it can build world-leading compute power even while facing strict US export controls on high-end chips. It is an attempt to prove that the tech industry can thrive by inventing its own path to the frontier. But raw compute power cannot replace human intuition. Ford learned this the hard way after aggressively replacing humans with automated quality systems. They had to rehire hundreds of veteran engineers, known internally as graybeards, to hunt for failure points that the AI missed. This highlights a broader trend. Figures like GINA IISEU's initiative to help workers adapt rather than be erased. The consensus is shifting. We are realizing that if we rush into autonomy without a stable domestic workforce, we are not leading the race. We are simply automating a decline. Today's through line is the tension between total autonomy and necessary control, whether it is a prompt bypassing a security guard, a CPU cluster bypassing a trade ban, or a veteran engineer fixing an AI error. The black box approach is failing. The real advantage now belongs to those who treat AI as a powerful but untrusted component, keeping rigorous human oversight in the loop. This was the Autonomy.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.